Welcome to the Ultimate Sweet Tooth's Guide. Today, we are exploring 15 incredible dessert bars that are guaranteed to disappear the moment they hit the table.
Whether you love rich chocolate, tangy fruit, or crunchy nuts, there is something here for everyone. These recipes are simple, shareable, and absolutely irresistible. Starting our list with a timeless favorite, moist carrot cake bars. Imagine everything you love about the classic cake, but in a dense portable square. The spice from the cinnamon and the crunch of walnuts pair perfectly with that tangy frosting. It is the ultimate comfort treat for any afternoon break. Next up, we have bright lemon bars. These are a sunshine-filled delight, featuring a buttery graham cracker base and a sharp, zesty citrus filling. The balance of tart and sweet is just right. They are light, refreshing, and look beautiful on any dessert platter with their dusting of sugar. For the fruit lovers, these berry crumble bars are a must. They feature a medley of fresh berries, bubbling under a golden, crunchy streusel topping. Every bite is a mix of juicy fruit and buttery oats. They are fantastic, served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream melting on top. If you crave something creamy, these strawberry cheesecake bars are for you. The vibrant red strawberry swirl makes them look as good as they taste. The crust is buttery and firm, providing the perfect base for the silky smooth cheesecake. They are elegant enough for a party, yet simple to prepare. Now, let's move into the indulgent category with chocolate pecan pie bars. These take the classic holiday pie and turn it into a decadent snack. The gooey center is packed with toasted pecans and rich chocolate, all resting on a crisp shortbread crust. It is incredibly rich and satisfying. For a tropical twist, try these Fudgy coconut brownies. Inspired by the Mounds candy bar, they feature a thick layer of sweetened coconut. The contrast between the dark, fudgy brownie and the light, chewy coconut is heaven for chocolate lovers. It's like a vacation in every bite. Why choose between brownies and cheesecake? These cheesecake brownies give you both, with beautiful marble swirls of cream cheese throughout the chocolate. The bitterness of the cocoa and the tang of the cheese create a sophisticated flavor profile. They look like a work of art when sliced. Samoa cookie bars are a tribute to the famous Girl Scout cookie. They are layered with toasted coconut, chewy caramel, and a chocolate drizzle. They are crunchy, chewy, and completely addictive. These are perfect for making when you are missing cookie season. Moving into easy territory with no-bake Peanut Butter Buckeye Bars. These require 0 oven time and are incredibly smooth and rich. Topped with a layer of silky chocolate ganache, they taste just like a peanut butter cup. Keep them in the fridge for a quick snack. Praline graham cracker bars are the definition of simple. They use crackers as a base and are topped with a golden brown sugar glaze. They come out of the oven crisp and caramelized. It is an amazing way to transform simple pantry staples into something gourmet. These one-bowl chewy caramel cookie bars are a lifesaver. Minimal cleanup, but maximum flavor with a stretchy caramel center. The cookie dough is soft and buttery, hugging the sweet caramel perfectly. They are the ultimate crowd pleaser for any bake sale. S'mores Rice Krispie bars take the campfire classic to a new level. We've added toasted marshmallows and melted chocolate chunks for extra indulgence. You get that smoky, sweet flavor without needing a fire. They are sticky, crunchy, and loved by kids and adults alike. Layered Snickerdoodle bars are all about that cinnamon sugar sparkle. They are soft, chewy, and carry a wonderful warmth. The texture is like a cloud of cinnamon. These are perfect with a cup of hot tea or coffee on a chilly afternoon. Easy Shortbread apple bars offer a comforting blend of caramelized apples and a crumbly, buttery topping. It's like an apple pie you can eat with your hands. The shortbread provides a sturdy but meltingly tender base for the fruit. Finally, the ultimate classic, soft chocolate chip cookie bars. These are warm, chewy, and studded with melting chocolate treasures. They are much faster than scooping individual cookies and just as delicious. A staple recipe that everyone should have in their collection. There you have 15 irresistible dessert bars for every occasion. Each one is a winner in its own right. Which one are you going to bake first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share your sweet creations with us.